People come to me for custom gates, I think first and foremost for the security, but they also want something custom and something that'll kind of be the first impression of their property. And a lot of people come to me for that because they know I can offer them a better job, a higher quality job. That's the main reason why people come to me for their entranceways. Well, I do everything. I design the gates, I make them myself in-house. I do the forge work, the framework, the welding from raw materials. Because I do everything and the actuators and the columns and everything, I fully understand the requirements of what it takes to do it with precision. So I'm the next guy in on every step. So that's why I offer a higher quality job. That's why I pass on the manufacturing warranties to the customer. I was searching for the perfect product to fit my personality type, and I thought Entranceways was it because I hate doing the same thing over and over again, so everything's a little different. Well, a lot of people see artwork when they see my products, but I don't see artwork, I see precision, so that's what I see. I see precision.
Billy built the whole entranceway into my house. I call Billy a contractor because he does everything. Got with him and I told him what I'd like. He designed it. He built it. My house is 100 yards away and he brought in all the electric. As you can see, it's just an excellent job. And it's been here for 15 years and I have not replaced the thing on it. The entranceway speaks for itself. I mean, it makes my wife feel secure and it's just a beautiful part of our home.
My favorite part is interacting with the customers and learning their personalities and deciphering a design based on accumulation of their personalities, their property, the design theme that they're going with. There's a lot of things that come into play when designing an entranceway. The type of home behind it, the landscaping, everything's important. Pretty precise with drawing and designing gates, and that's what's the most enjoyable part, is just watching people through the whole process of the design and everything, and then seeing them when they're wowed in the end. I guess that's what makes it all worth it.